this technology is going to be everywhere before too long. If it isn't already, it's already in Bing. If you've seen it, Google's coming out with something. So again, now is the time to start practicing with it and get yourself familiar with what it can and what it can't do. For me personally, I have an English degree. I spent a lifetime building a career in one sense on building content. And so for me, it was, do I really want to do this and replace myself with ChatGPT? What I found out again is none of my blogs, by the way, are ChatGPT blogs or any of the stuff I write. I create sections of content and then modify it to base what I want to say. So rather than looking at someone else's first version, and the first versions for me of something are like giving birth. And so very quickly, I was able to understand this technology, what it can and what it can't do. And that starts to springboard on more possibilities. So again, the takeaway from our conversation today is if you haven't started experimenting, now is a really good time, because before long, it's going to be everywhere. And if you know how to use it to make yourself better, stronger, faster, you're going to be more effective in your role.